You're gonna show the people when it's birthday time. And we're gonna have to have a serious talk about it. This young man has aspirations. Alright guys, hot topics time. We start in Spain. There's a 77-year-old man who has been fined for hunting. You guys know the game Pokemon, where people go out and use their phones to do. Extra can tell you more because he's that guy.
I used to do that.
You used to do it?
When I was in primary school.
Oh, well, this man is 77 years old, so primary school gone long time.
Once a month, twice a.
Well, that is true too. Correct. Well, he's been fined for breaching the country's strict lockdown rules. You know, COVID lockdown everywhere. Spain is on lockdown. This man decided he was going out to look for Pokemon. So he's been fined for infringing public safety laws by playing outside his home during a national state of alarm. So in this game, apparently you track down and you train virtual characters in real-world locations. The capital's municipal police shared the report on Twitter, writing, "Hunting Pokemon, dinosaurs, or any other magical creature is prohibited during the state of alarm." So, again, if you're watching and you're in Spain, because we have lots of Jamaicans there, do not go out of door to play games. It's not a thing right now, right? COVID says no, and you will be fined.
I mean, I understand. And you can't hunt Pokemon indoors because it's an outdoor thing.
So then you don't play Pokemon while COVID is going on?
Yeah, but
there are no shortage of games
But they're
right
losing
now.
their minds, though. Everyone's losing their mind.
Well, you must be losing your mind if you go outside to play Pokemon on lockdown.
Try to find a dinosaur. I mean, my favorite Pokemon. I think Pikachu was my favorite Pokemon. You know Pikachu? It's like this. Sorry. There are different types of Pokemon. Water type, earth type, electric type, air type.
Yes.
Clive.
So would you go outside
right now
during lockdown to look for Pikachu?
If I could go in my yard.
In your yard?
Yeah.
But you wouldn't go for that?
No, because health is, you know.
All right, that's not bad. You probably wouldn't be fined for that.
Maybe if I was 77, I probably would have.
Okay.
You know.
All right, let's move on, because Pokemon is...
So from Spain,
yes,
we moved to Israel. A surgical procedure that was undertaken in Israel could change the way cancers are treated. For the operation, a man's lung was removed, cleaned of cancerous tumors, and placed right back again. Something that's only been done a few times in history. The patient, who is in his mid-40s, was hospitalized after a tumor in his left lung blocked the main artery, leading to his collapse. Upon admittance to the Rabin Medical Center in Tikva, doctors originally thought that his lung would need to be resectioned while he embarked upon the dangerous road of waiting for a transplant. So they took his lung out of his body. Like, I'd love to see that. I'd love to be there.
That's incredible.
Yeah.
That is medical science for you. And during the operation, apparently he continued to breathe out of his good lung while his other lung was literally disconnected, cleansed from the tumor, and reconnected after inflating it as a way of making certain it was still working and the tissue was still healthy. That's incredible. According to one professor, the new method may change the way patients treat cancer in the world, and it can be applied to other organs and other forms of cancer. So medical breakthroughs being made right now, even while COVID is being fought across the world and people are racing to find vaccines for that and breakthrough drugs here and there. This is a fantastic, amazing procedure that could change the way that cancers are treated.
And with lung cancer being one of the deadliest cancers since the 90s.
Yeah, incredible. Yeah. Okay, so
there's hope. There's hope.
There is hope. We're moving on now to Montana, where there's a television reporter who gave what they say is an unexpected lesson in social distancing. We have the video, right?
Yeah, we do.
Okay? All right. Maybe we should show you and then we can talk about it on the other side of the video.
Oh, no, I ain't messing with you. Oh, no. Oh, I'm not messing with you.
All right, so maybe Kareem can pull up what a bison looks like so we can show the image. This poor man, Dayon Broxton, he's with a CNN affiliate called KTVM. He was reporting at Yellowstone National Park on Wednesday when he noticed a herd of bison. You know what this reminds me of, Emil? I won't talk about a rapping shoot when there was a certain creature. Anyway, let's just say Emil saved me from a certain creature on a shoot. But I've had to run away from locations several times because of creatures. Bison? Can
yeah.
we see what a bison looks like?
I'm thinking about Avatar, but that's not a bison.
It's a huge animal.
Opa.
Look like a...
Yeah, it's like a... But the bison I'm thinking about is like Avatar.
Like a Pokemon bison? Are we going back to...
Yeah, I think we probably have a Pokemon bison.
All right. Well,
There
these were
should be
real.
one. Yeah.
No, these were real. And these were not virtual. And they were coming at him. And he decided he's not.
Like, oh, no, I
not
don't
today.
want none of this.
Not today. Forget the stand up. Whatever I
But
had to
he's
say is
on
not
their
that
turf.
important.
He's on their turf.
No, but still.
Oh.
You know, doing me, you go have to talk. Because if you standing up to do a link and you see.
But one of my professors in college told me if that was happening, you're doing a stand up and something's coming at you, don't move.
Oh.
Professor Stone said, don't move.
Eh?
That's what he
All
said.
right, he's obviously never seen or heard of bison. Yes, that's what
you see?
I think
It's
they're pulling
upper.
it out, but
It's Opa.
come here, Clive. Let me your phone.
Like
Let me
Pokemon.
see if we got- Okay, here we are, guys.
Oh.
And look at one of those creatures is going to make me flee. A herd of them. I'm not thinking twice. I'm doing exactly what this dude. Oh, you're gonna stand up. All right.
For the optics.
You're for the
Optic.
optics. Okay. I just want to be able to live to tell the tale.
Very
And let me
true.
tell you, those horns look very sharp. Is all I'm saying.
But they're so
So-
fluffy.
Dwayne,
So fluffy.
you can deal with the fluffiness.
Can
All right.
I